Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the IIYAMA monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the vertical and horizontal position of your menu. And first we have to click on the menu button on the back of our screen, monitor and here we have to go to OSD Settings here with the minus and plus button. Here the first options is we have that the OSD horizontal and vertical position. If we click on the menu button, we can easily move the horizontal position, which is to the left and to the right, as you can see, with the minus and plus buttons. And apart from that, we have the vertical position here. It works well. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.